health, success, prosperity, universal peace, and brotherhood. God made from one blood all the nations of the world. As I enter the silence this time, expecting to get health, success, prosperity, and happiness, I'm going to have my mind filled with the spirit of divine unity. Unity among the nations of the world. Unity in abundance. Unity in love. Unity in prosperity. Unity in health and unity in spirit. There can be no separation in spirit. All is mind. All is God. All is universal energy. I am part of the creative force. I am a part and parcel of the unity of love, nature, and God. Therefore, where God is, I recognize a completeness. And I, being a part of God, a part of this Spirit, part of the power with Him, am therefore at one with God and all thought. I am therefore at one with God and all spirit. Nothing can separate me from the love of God but my own mental attitude. Nothing can separate me from abundance, happiness, success, prosperity, and love.